How to play with all teams in eFootball 2024. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how to play with all teams in eFootball 2024. So make sure to watch till the end. So to get started, first of all, open up eFootball 2024 application and then you will be appear with this type of screen interface. So from the appear screen, go to extras and then go to training, and when you go to training, go ahead and click on free training. Once you go to free training, select this option called practice match, and when you select practice match, of course by default it's going to give you a practice match. Now there isn't a real way to do this, but you can actually still play with all the teams using the trial method, trial match or the practice match. So now just pause this training over here, and then once you have paused it, you can see home and you can see away. Simply tap on home and then choose the home team. So you can select any club and any country, any league that you like. So if I select Europe will be here, and let's say I go to English league. Here you will be able to see all the teams available, and now I can select the Manchester United FC. I'll tap on OK, and if I want to choose the away team, you can go ahead and do that as well. Now if I want, I can basically go ahead and begin the game, and this is how easily and simply you can play with all teams in eFootball 2024. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.